Hi, kindergarten. So I hope everybody enjoyed the book, The Day the Crayons Quit. What we're going to do today, I'm going to show you how to draw your favorite crayon and one other object. So I have 4 crayons that are joining me, just so we can look at what shape they are. So on a piece of paper, I'd like you to start with a pencil. I am going to start with a black Sharpie just so you can see my drawing easier. So on one half of it, on one side, we're going to draw a big crayon. Draw your favorite color crayon. And on the other side, we're going to draw an object that crayon might color. So this is how we're going to start. I am going to start by drawing the shape of a crayon. And the shape of the crayon is going to be kind of a long rectangle. I am just going to start with a line, flat line on the bottom. And I'm going to start making it my rectangle go up on both sides. Like this. Now, if you notice on the top, the crayons taper in. So they go in a little bit. And this is the cone top. So this is how we're going to do it. On both sides, I'm going to go in a little bit. And from here, I'm going to make a cone. The cone is kind of like a little triangle, but not very pointy. So I'm going to make it go up, over a little bit, and then back down. So this is the basic shape of my crayon. Now I'm going to add some details. So first, I am going to put 2 lines. One close to the bottom, one close to the top. This is the paper wrapper on the crayon, or the paper label. On it, if you notice, my crayons have a little design. So I'm going to put that design on the bottom. It starts off with a line straight across the crayon, and then it's just a little zigzag line up right above it. Now, since my crayon is alive like the book, I am going to give him any face you want. You can make him happy. You can make him exasperated. You can make him kind of mad. It's up to you which kind of face you make. I am going to make mine pretty happy. So I'm going to start off with 2 little eyes like this. I'm going to give him a big smile. I'm going to color in. I'm also going to give my crayon a couple of happy eyebrows. The last thing I want to do for my crayon is give him some arms and some legs. For the legs, I'm just going to put 2 little lines going straight down. If you want, you can give him a couple of small feet. For the hands, I'm going to kind of put them up here just below the face. I'm going to make mine waves. So I'm going to put a little line that sticks up like this. And I'm going to give him a few fingers on there. And on the other hand, on the other arm, I'm just going to make a hang down. So here's my drawing of a crayon. Remember, we started off with a rectangle shape, put a cone shape on top, and then give it a face, legs, and arms. I won't color it yet. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw an object that my crayon might color. See if you can guess what color my crayon might be by what the object is. So here's how I'm going to start my object. I am going to start off with a big curvy line like this. I'm going to start from here. It's going to go up into a big curvy line like that. Then I'm going to start from the same spot. I'm going to follow this curvy line. So kind of looks like a half moon. So I'm going to start up here. I'm going to go follow this line back a little bit wider. And I'm going to make it close up almost all the way. I'm going to do that one more time. So I'm going to start from this point over here. Same point I've been starting. I'm going to follow it all the way around one more time. I'm going to follow this line. It's going to get a little bit wider. and it's going to close back up. Have you figured out what my object is yet? On here, on the end of it, I am just going to put a little stem so it looks like it's broken. How many people guess what my object is? If you said banana, you are right. So, since that's a banana, what I'm going to do is I'm going to color my crayon first. So if you notice on my crayon, the one thing I want to pay attention is that the label itself is a little bit different color than the top. So I'm going to find my yellow crayon, by the way, which is my favorite color. I'm going to color the top only first. Then I'm going to make sure I skip this label and I'm going to color just the bottom. So pretend like the bottom of the crayon is here. I'm going to set that off to the side. I will color this band up here black, just like on the example label. And when I color, I'm going to try to color pretty carefully and stay inside the lines. The last thing I'm going to color is I'm going to find a different color for my label. On this one, if you notice on my crayon, the label itself, or the wrapper, is a little bit lighter yellow. So I have a little bit lighter yellow. See if I compare them. And I'm going to color the label a lighter yellow. So if you notice, the top is a little bit darker. The bottom is a little bit lighter. And you can color over your face. It's still going to show up. I'm going to be pretty careful around that black stripe on the bottom. So here is what my yellow crayon looks like. I'm also, while I have my yellow up, I'm also going to color my object, or in this case, my banana, since my banana is yellow. While I'm coloring, I am also wondering what your favorite color is and what kind of object are you going to draw that uses your favorite color. So here's my yellow crayon, and here's what my yellow crayon would color in real life. I hope, kindergarten, you have some fun drawing this. Enjoy your drawing. I look forward to you showing me your drawing when we see each other on Zoom. Bye, guys.